Hey everyone, Jorge Joao here, and today I want to talk about some of the hairsprays I love and how I use them. First things first, brushable hairspray number 12. As I'm working and building and starting to create my look, I love using the 12 because it's very flexible, you have control, and it's not going to really stick and give you that tack that you're not looking for just yet. Anti-humidity, and it's going to help you start building and going into the direction that you need to go. Secondly, when I'm really starting to look for some hold, but yet I need a bit of control, I actually use 32 max hold. Even though it's a higher number, it's more of a drier hairspray, and it's still gonna let me comb through the hair and have a little bit more control, and it's not really going to stick and hold to the point where I can't change things. Last, when I really want to finish, I go into 28 and control. This is going to give me that fix, high shine polish that I'm looking for. It's really going to lock in the look and give me the shine and end result that I'm looking for. So hopefully this helps when you're trying to decide on what hairspray to use when you're creating your masterpieces. Thanks for listening, everyone. If you're looking for more content, you can follow Redken Pro on Instagram and myself, Jorge_Joao. See you soon.